The 2002 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, cruise control, power locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.